Hey guys! It is, what is today? Sunday? It is December 9th, and December 9th, 2018, and it is snowing outside. If you can see that, there we go. Just peek through. Look at all that. We might actually need to go out shopping. Well, not shopping, but, getting groceries. I forgot to heed the National Weather Station warning to stay at home. Because it's a couple inches up. Probably 3 inches? I'm not really sure. But, yeah, it is quite thick, and it's getting thicker. I'm afraid that one of the branches might fall on the car, so just gonna get the car cleaned up, and hopefully the roads are alright to travel in, because yeah. Alright, let me just start with cleaning the car out and see if that works. Alright, now let's try to clean up the car, see if we can do it without freezing. I have a plan, which is to, is it cold? Yeah, it's kind of cold. At least it's not freezing cold. Put some shoes on. I have a secret weapon. Hot water. Ooh, gonna get real chilly. Alright, it's ninja time. I'm a ninja cleaning machine. Oh wow, look at the car. It's covered in snow. Alright, if you want to know what it's like inside of a snow-covered car, oh, let's go inside. Oh, gosh. Alright. Alright, so this is what it's like inside a snow-covered car. Ooh. Forgot my thing is open. Anyway, it's normally dark. I shouldn't have broke that open, but as you can see, it's all white. Bit of contrast. Right there. Yeah, see? That's what snow looks like inside the car. Ooh. Yeah, the only open door is that one. So let's start cleaning it. Hopefully you'll get a good view from the inside. Look, there's no window. Let's see. That's the snow. It turned to ice. All powdery. Powdery snow. Ooh, it's cold. Bugno, bugno. Alright, I made a haircut with my car. Looks like Kyle from Street Fighter. Oh! I don't know if you want to see this. See how thick that is. My whole hand can fit in it. Or can be buried with it at least. I don't know how to talk today. Alright, I don't know if you can see it. My little car haircut. Next we'll be driving in style. Yeah. Oh. Look. So the snow is frozen on the branches, and that's gonna make the tree a lot more heavier. So we're gonna drive away from trees and make sure we don't get fallen over. I'm not sure how old these trees are or how healthy they are, and that's the part that scares me. So we're gonna drive out, park somewhere else, or let me show you around and make people jealous of my car's new haircut. Snow haircut. Alright, quick tip. Alright, quick tip before we start really moving is that when you're driving in snow, drive slowly and don't be in a hurry, because nobody's in a hurry in the snow. Alright? Even though you're late for work, it's best that you arrive at work as opposed to you arrive to the ED. Alright? So stay safe, guys, and don't be in a hurry. I know it's Christmas, it's almost Christmas time, and I know you'll like to spend some time with family. So spend some time with the family at the dining table, not at the funeral home, okay? Alright, just trying to be real. We're not. So it's beautiful outside, but we can't be really taking pictures outside. See? Let me do some groceries, guys. Thanks for opening today, Harris Theater. I'm hungry. December trying to make a snowman. This is the bread section. But man. So everybody buys milk and bread here during if there's like a weather emergency. Also, the beer section is empty. Alright, I finally found what I was looking for. That's my emergency kit for 2 days. Maybe even 3. Let's see how long we can stretch it. But yeah, I was looking for corned beef, and I guess they only have this brand. So we'll check it out, see how it tastes. I'm not really a big noodle fan, except for yakisoba, and that's it. Uh-oh, I'm in trouble. I'm in the junk food section. Everything's starting to look good. Especially now that I'm hungry. Strawberry kind. I got fat because of this. Now that I'm not trying to lose weight or anything. I'm running into even more trouble. I'm in my niece's favorite section. The ice cream section. Oh look, they're saying buy 2 get 3 free. Found it. There. Oh man, I just went over my spending limit. Hopefully I can make this last for a week. Alright guys, we are back. And just in time, because it's not snowing now. It's raining. So that's kind of like a different thing. So yeah, for the rest of the day, we'll see what happens. But for now, that's it.